I love you.
Peace. You see, when we describe ourselves and we say I, what exactly are we describing? Is it talking about a single thing? Or are you describing something separate from the rest? You see, we have two eyes. You can see the white part, and then you can see it begins to change colors. These two eyes, they help you see this physical realm. You describe yourself as I. Are you separated from the rest though when you say this I? We have these two eyes that are both connected. You see one. We have two eyes, but we see one. We have one clear vision. And within this eye, you have a pupil. And then you have that color, and then you have the white color. Sometimes we forget that it's all connected. And you mistake the pupil as just the entire eye, but you forget the pupil has its own job. The eyelashes, it has its own jobs. Everything is balanced. You see, beloveds, what I get from this is you usually see a tree and the first thing that you see is the bark, the outside. But here, on the inside, we see a whole entire story that's already written. I can feel the vibrations on the inside. Very beautiful. Inside. These trees, as you can see, it started leaning over as though it was going to fall. Here we have two firmly rooted tree entities. The brother said, "No, I got you. There is no falling today. We are connected. We are one. Even though it looks like we are far away." It all comes back to nature. It all comes back to stillness. You go to a museum and then you see a glass container with an ancient artifact inside of it that you know has an energy signature. You know that it holds a specific type of energy to it, an ancient energy to it. And if you touch it, you can link directly back into yourself just by simply touching these artifacts. So whenever you get into nature, I'm telling you, just get into nature all the way. You know? Break the barriers. Go beyond the limits. It's like these beings, all they know is to walk along the path that they are giving and to not ask questions. Look and don't touch. Almost as though you're not meant to feel the energy.